The entire cryptocurrency market experienced a pullback today, and that's affecting the price of Shiba Inu Coin as well. Now, a lot of traders are looking for the reason. What is causing this drawback? Why is Bitcoin falling? Why is Ethereum falling? Why is Shiba Inu Coin falling? And I believe it has to do with news surrounding XRP, the Ripple court case, and the SEC. I'm not going to go into how I feel about the SEC too much in this video. I'm sure it's going to come out to you. But I'm not going to go into too much about that. I do want to discuss this article. I do want to discuss the fact that the SEC is mulling around an appeal to the decision that Annalisa Torres made in that court case that stated that XRP is not a security when listed on centralized exchanges. The SEC going to try and appeal that decision. Now, the best thing that I can hope for, if they do, is that the appellate court judge decides that, you know what? We are ruling in favor of Ripple in now both parts of this lawsuit. That it was not a decision, or that it was not a security when Ripple sold it, and it was not a security when it was listed on centralized exchanges. That would be a beautiful, beautiful declaration by the judge. Let's talk about what's going on here, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you guys are earning 5% on your cash balances. You're not going to get that at a bank. You don't even have to invest in the market. Your money's not at risk there, and you're earning 5% just to hold it. It's better than the 4% you can get in like CDs and money market accounts that your bank's offering. Nonetheless, guys, let's go over this article because, oh, you know what? You got KuCoin and Binance down there as well. Forget about KuCoin and Binance. But we're going to go over this article and jump into it. The headline is SEC postures to appeal the Ripple secondary markets ruling. SEC lawyers said Judge Torres' ruling about XRP sold on secondary markets was wrongly decided and may soon call for a review. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, isn't it nice, man? You lose and you just throw a tantrum. Like, it's not good enough to have a judge's decision on the matter. It's not good enough to litigate for years and have every aspect of the case, analyzed by a court, and then disagree with the decision when they don't decide in your favor. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has hinted it will appeal the partial legal win notched by Ripple earlier this month. U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres ruled on July 13th that Ripple did not breach securities law when offering XRP on secondary markets, which include cryptocurrency exchanges. But Ripple did violate SEC regulations when directly selling the token to institutional investors. In documents filed Friday as part of an ongoing case against Terraform Labs, the SEC said Torres' ruling about secondary markets was wrongly decided. The agency's lawyers urged the court not to adhere to those conclusions. SEC staff are considering the various available avenues for further review and intend to recommend that the SEC seek such review, they said. On the other hand, the judge appropriately determined that Ripple's public statements endorsing XRP generated a reasonable expectation of profits from the company's efforts among institutional buyers. The same conclusion should have been applied concerning retail buyers, the SEC said. Instead, the ruling creates an artificial distinction between the expectations of sophisticated institutional investors and retail investors. They've already made those distinctions. I don't need to go, and I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not going to sit here and act like I know every law, but I don't have the opportunity that institutional investors have. I don't have the same rights that institutional investors have as a retail investor. I cannot go in and partake in the same types and styles of investments that institutional or sophisticated investors can. There is already a distinction between retail and a distinction between institutional investors. So the fact that that comes as a surprise to the SEC really is shocking to me. These guys, man, I don't know if they just play dumb or if they just are plain dumb. You understand that it's difference there? Playing dumb versus plain dumb is a huge difference. The SEC are sore losers in the case, and they are trying their best now to appeal this decision and get their claws into everybody's cryptocurrency. While the crypto world awaits for a potential SEC appeal, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse suggested that new legislation would be preferable to crypto fans blaming a judge for faithfully applying the law. An important topic has come up about protecting retail. The SEC created this mess by proclaiming that it was the cop in crypto on the crypto beat when it had no legal jurisdiction. Where's that gotten us? Consumers left holding the bag in bankruptcy court while the SEC holds press conferences? Why is it that the CEO for Ripple is the smartest guy in the room? Shouldn't the lawyers have some sort of an inkling of what's going on in this situation? It seems as though the SEC is either so detached from reality or they are completely ignoring it and just making an excuse and hoping that you follow along with the narrative that they are here to protect retail investors. Because of this, and I do agree with Garlinghouse here, that we all know legislation, not more regulation by enforcement, is the only way forward to provide clear rules and protect retail. Congress needs to get involved because it is obvious that Gary Gensler and the SEC, they're out on a power trip, man. And there's no other way to respectfully put that. The fact that they can't even respect the judge's decision is beyond me at this moment in time, knowing that it was a split decision, part of which profited and part of which was preferred towards the SEC, and part of which was in favor of Ripple. I don't know the direction they're going to go. I do know that this caused a major sell-off in Bitcoin, being down 3+% on the day today, dropping below 29,000 for the first time in a very long time. A major decline in Ethereum. Shiba Inu Coin got hit very hard as well. And Dogecoin kind of scraping by today on hopes and aspirations that Elon Musk is going to integrate it in a larger way within X or Twitter X or whatever that new platform is going to be named there. Dogecoin investors are a little optimistic on that, so it did not get hit hard. In fact, Dogecoin was green today. What I do know is that Shibarium is around the corner, but this XRP case and a potential SEC appeal is going to have a bigger effect on the overall market and on the price of Shiba Inu coin than any Shibarium, than any Burns, than any type of world paper or whatever treat, leash, and so on that Satoshi is able to get out there. So this is very big news. And if the SEC continues to act a fool, despite the judge's judgment, I don't know what. I don't know why people trust them to look after retail investors anymore. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below. This is a major impact on Shiba Inu coin. I want to know if you guys think it's going to have... you know what? Let me know if you think they're going to appeal. Just that. Yes or no. They will appeal or they will not appeal. Let us know. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You get ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.